Asking for directions. English conversation for beginners, A1 to A2. Hello everyone, welcome back to Speak English Daily.
Hi friends! We are very happy you are here today.
Today's topic is very useful.
Yes! Today we will learn how to ask for directions in English.
This is important when you travel.
Or when you are in a new city.
Don't worry, we will use simple English.
We will speak slowly so you can understand.
And you can repeat with us.
Before we start,
Please like the video.
and subscribe to Speak English Daily.
Are you ready?
Yes! Let's go!
Part 1, basic question. Excuse me,
Yes? How can I help you?
where is the bank?
The bank is near here.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Practice. Repeat after us. Excuse me,
Yes? How can I help you?
where is the bank?
The bank is near here.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Very good. Part 2, using left and right. Excuse me, where is the supermarket?
Go straight.
Okay, go straight,
Then turn left.
turn left.
Yes. The supermarket is there. On your left.
Great, thank you so much.
You are welcome.
Practice. Repeat after us. Where is the supermarket?
Go straight.
Then turn left.
The supermarket is on your left.
Thank you so much.
Excellent.
Part 3, asking again. Sorry, can you repeat?
Of course. No problem.
Go straight,
Yes. Go straight for 2 blocks.
then turn right.
Yes, that's right. Turn right at the traffic light.
Now I understand. Thank you.
You are welcome. Good luck.
Practice. Repeat after us. Sorry, can you repeat?
Of course. No problem.
Go straight for 2 blocks.
Turn right at the traffic light.
Now I understand.
Very good.
Part 4, using landmarks. Excuse me, where is the restaurant?
It is next to the park.
Next to the park?
Yes. You can see the park first.
Is the park big?
Yes. It is a big park. You cannot miss it.
Thank you. That helps a lot.
Practice. Repeat after us. Where is the restaurant? It is next to the park.
Next to the park?
Yes. You cannot miss it.
That helps a lot.
Excellent.
Part 5, asking about distance. Is it far?
No, it is not far. It is very close.
Is it close? Can I walk?
Yes, You can walk. It is only 5 minutes.
5 minutes? That's very close.
Yes. Go straight and you will see it.
Great. Thank you.
Practice. Repeat after us. Is it far? No, it is not far.
Is it close? Can I walk?
Yes, you can walk. 5 minutes.
That's very close. Thank you.
Very good.
Part 6. More direction words. Excuse me, where is the hotel?
Go straight, then turn right.
Go straight, then turn right.
Yes, then it is on the left.
On the left. Not on the right?
No, on the left, next to the coffee shop.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
Practice. Repeat after us.
Go straight.
Turn right. It is on the left. It is on the right. Next to the coffee shop. Perfect. Part 7. Short conversation.
Excuse me, where is the cafe?
Go straight and turn left.
Is it far?
No, it is close. About 3 minutes.
Is it next to something?
Yes, it is across from the library.
Across from the library. I know that place.
Perfect. You will find it easily.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your coffee. Practice. Repeat after us.
Where is the cafe?
Go straight and turn left.
Is it across from the library?
Yes, across from the library. You will find it easily. Excellent.
Part 8. Asking for a specific place. Excuse me, where is the train station?
The train station is on Main Street.
On Main Street. How do I get there?
Go straight for 10 minutes.
10 minutes.
Yes, then turn right at the bank.
Turn right at the bank.
Yes, the train station is on your right.
Thank you. You are very helpful.
No problem. Have a safe trip.
Practice. Repeat after us. Where is the train station?
It is on Main Street.
How do I get there?
Go straight for 10 minutes.
Turn right at the bank.
You are very helpful.
Very good. Part 9. Asking multiple places. I have 2 more questions.
Okay, go ahead.
Where is the restroom?
The restroom is inside the supermarket.
Inside the supermarket. Okay.
Yes, on the first floor.
And where is the pharmacy?
The pharmacy is next to the hospital.
Next to the hospital. Is it far?
No, it is very close. 5 minutes walking.
Perfect. You helped me a lot today.
I am happy to help.
Practice. Repeat after us. Where is the restroom?
Inside the supermarket. First floor.
Where is the pharmacy?
Next to the hospital.
You helped me a lot today.
I am happy to help. Excellent.
Part 10. Being polite and thanking. Thank you for your help.
You are very welcome.
I was lost. Now I know where to go.
That's great. I am glad.
You are very kind.
Oh, thank you. That's nice to say.
Have a wonderful day.
You too. Goodbye and good luck.
Practice. Repeat after us. Thank you for your help.
You are very welcome.
I was lost. Now I know where to go.
I am glad.
Have a wonderful day.
Goodbye and good luck.
Very good. Part 11. Your turn.
Now it's your turn to speak.
I will ask a question. You answer out loud.
Don't be shy. Just try.
Ready?
Let's go.
Excuse me. Where is the bank?
Go straight.
Turn left.
Is it far?
Thank you for your help.
Great job. You are speaking English.
Part 12. Final practice.
Let's repeat important sentences one more time.
Listen carefully, then repeat.
Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Where is the bank?
Where is the bank?
Go straight.
Go straight.
Turn left.
Turn left.
Turn right.
Turn right.
It is on the left.
It is on the left.
It is next to the park.
It is next to the park.
Is it far?
Is it far?
No, it is close.
No, it is close.
Thank you for your help.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome.
You're welcome. Amazing. You are improving every day. Outro. Great job today.
Now you can ask for directions in English.
You are improving every day.
Practice again and again. Practice with your friends.
Before you go,
Tell us in the comments.
can you say turn left?
Or go straight.
Write your answer in English.
Don't forget to like the video.
And subscribe to Speak English Daily.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye, everyone.